Hello everyone and good afternoon. In our today's geography class, I am going to teach you mathematical calculation for finding out time and longitude. Means how we can find out the time using the longitude and how can we find the longitude using the time. But before we move on to the calculations, here are some important points to know. So I'll explain you all this. After that we'll move on to the exercise. Okay, as you can see here, I have drawn one globe here, a figure. So through this globe we'll understand some important points. So in a globe I have drawn one line at the center from north pole to the south pole at 0 degree. So this line is known as Greenwich Mean Line, or we can say it a prime meridian also. Prime meridian means the midday. Okay, and Greenwich line, from here the time begins or starts. Okay, so the local time of, or we can see call it a GMT also, Greenwich Mean Time, from where the time starts. So local time of GMT is 12 noon. Okay, so this line divides the earth into two equal halves. Right side is known as eastern hemisphere and the left side is known as western hemisphere. So as you can see here, I have drawn many meridians of longitudes with red pen. So these all are known as meridians of longitudes. Okay, right hand side we have eastern longitudes or eastern meridians, and left hand side we have western longitudes or western meridians. Now as we move on to the eastern longitudes from Greenwich Mean Line, the time gets added. You may have heard that like the IST, Indian Standard Time of India, is 5 hours 30 minutes plus. Okay, so that is one example. I'll explain you later. So what I was telling you, as we move on to the eastern longitudes or eastern meridians, the time gets added, and as you move on to the western longitudes or western meridians, the time gets subtracted, and the time begins at Greenwich Mean Line. So I hope you got this right. Now how much time will be added in each degree? Let's come here. Some important points to remember. 1 degree longitude equals to 4 minutes. Okay, 1 degree longitude equals to 4 minutes. So when the local time moves 1 degree east longitude, means as you move on to the 1 degree east longitudes, 4 minutes is added with Greenwich Mean Time. Suppose if the local time of GMT is 12 pm. Okay, suppose. Now if you are moving 1 degree longitude, that means 1 degree longitude means 4 minutes. So if you are moving 1 degree longitude, 4 minutes is getting added. So what will be the time at 1 degree longitude east? 4 minutes past 12 pm. Okay, so same thing happens in the western longitude also, but here the time gets subtracted. As you move on to the 1 degree longitude, western longitude, that 4 minutes gets subtracted. So if you subtract 4 minutes from 12 pm, what will be the time? 11:56 am. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. As you move on to the western side, time gets subtracted. As you move on to the eastern side, time gets added. So 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. Okay, now see here, which are the coordinates? Coordinates are given in this way: 88 degree 30 minutes east longitude. Okay, so 88 is the degree and 30 is the minutes. As I told you, 1 degree equals to 4 minutes, and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Okay, now let's come to the next. Now finding out the longitude of a place. So when previously we learned how to find out the time using the longitude. Now we'll find out the longitude of a place using the time. So 4 minutes equals to 1 degree longitude, 60 minutes equals to 15 degree longitude. Suppose if the time is given 120 minutes. Okay, now this 120 minutes will be divided by 4. How much will get? 30. Okay, so 30 is what? 30 degree longitude. So in this way we find the longitude of a place. Okay, now antipode of a place always lies at a difference of 180 degree. First you have to understand what is antipode. Let's come here. Antipodes are two places on the earth's surface situated diametrically opposite to each other. If a straight line is drawn through the center of the earth, it will reach just the opposite side, the antipodal position. See here, every diameter line should pass through the center. So a line drawn from north to south, this point is antipode, north point is antipode to south point because they are at the opposite side. Okay, now B is opposite to A. Why? Because they are opposite side. This is one diametrical line drawn from one side to another side, and these points are known as antipodal positions. Okay, now let's come here. If any degree of longitude is given, that degree will be subtracted from that 180 degree to find out the antipode of a time. Okay, now one example I have done here. If the longitude. If the longitude of Allahabad is 82 degree 30 minutes east, so 1 degree longitude equals to 4 minutes. So 82 degree will be 82 into 4, 320 minutes. Now these 30 minutes also we have to convert it. 1 minute equals to 4 seconds, 30 minutes equals to 120 seconds. So 120 seconds means 2 minutes. Now we have to add this 328 minutes plus 2 minutes, we got 330 minutes. So 330 minutes, when we convert it in hours and minutes, we get 5 hours 30 minutes. So our Indian Standard Time according to the GMT is how much? 5 plus 5 hours 30 minutes. Why plus? Because India is at the eastern longitudes. So I hope guys you understood this very well. Questions I'll solve in another video. Okay, thank you.